Somebody just asked me the question about this pickup. Really nice for amplifying a resonator guitar. It's very thin. It's called the Lace Ultra Slim. It's made for these. It's also made for acoustic strings, so I have bronze strings on here. And to compare so you do get to hear the rattly old bluesy tone that comes from a biscuit resonator. But if you want to hear a little bit of what it can sound like through an amplifier, it gives a pretty nice tone. I've got some reverb on here from my Fender amp and a tiny bit of delay. If you put in a couple other things, like I've done often, is to put on a compressor and a little bit of a mini tube screamer. I've played this on stage through 2 amplifiers with a splitter, lots of bass, lots of volume in the band, and it sounds good and it doesn't feed back. There you go. Lace pickups, pretty good if you want to play loud. Have fun.